Odds are your business has some type of social media presence, but are your posts successful in driving engagement and new followers to your page? I have a tip for you to get your social media presence on the track for success. Hi, I'm Kelsey Munn. I'm with Fusion Marketing, and today I want to talk to you about the 70-20-10 rule. And if you've never heard of it, that's all right. I'm going to break it down for you. So when you apply the 70-20-10 rule to your social media presence, it's going to help drive people to your page and increase their activity on your posts as well. So 70% of your content needs to be about building your brand. And this doesn't mean promoting your products or services. This means showing off your personality, talking about things that are relevant to your industry and being informative and helpful to the audience to show them that you are credible and a trustworthy expert in your field. So 70% of your content needs to be related to those types of things. 20% of the content that you share needs to be shared from other sources. Try and share fun content like videos, articles, and images, but make sure they're still relevant to your industry. These will be your entertaining posts, and they're more likely to be shared by your existing followers. And then in result, will bring additional people to your pages as well. So that'll increase your social media exposure. So 20% of content should be shared by other sources. And that should still be relevant to your industry, but they can be more fun things like quizzes, polls, this and that, and entertaining videos, things of that nature. But remember, keep it relevant. Then for the final part of the formula, 10%. That's your self-promotional segment. So 10% of your posts should be all about what you do and how you do it well. Talk about the services that you offer, the products that you offer. Talk about how you're able to help solve problems for other people. And talk about how your clients are happy with what you're providing with them. So just to recap, 70-20-10. 70% of your content should be content that's building your brand. Show off your personality. Ask yourself, does this post offer valuable information to my audience? Does it offer relevant content related to what I do? Be fun and be engaging, but be about you and what your business offers without talking specifically about what your business offers. Then 20% of your content should be shared from other sources. Try and share fun content like videos, articles, and images, and you'll be more likely to bring new people onto your page because people are going to probably share those posts. Then 10% self-promotional. Push those products and services and talk about why you're the best. That's the 70-20-10 rule. Apply it to your social media and you won't be sorry. That's all I have today. Bye.